Crystals have captivated humanity for centuries. Their beauty and mystery draw us in. We are fascinated by their colors, shapes, and energies. Many cultures believe crystals hold healing powers. Crystals are formed deep within the earth. They absorb powerful energies over millions of years. Each crystal type possesses a distinct vibration. This vibration can interact with our own energy fields. Crystals can help us achieve balance and well-being. Whether you're drawn to their beauty or their energetic properties, crystals offer a world of possibilities. Abundance is more than just wealth. It's a feeling of fullness in all areas of life. This includes finances, relationships, and health. Crystals for abundance can help us attract and manifest this fullness. Crystals work by resonating with our energy. They can help shift our vibration. This shift can attract positive experiences. Crystals can amplify our intentions. They help us focus on our goals. When we use crystals for abundance, we tap into the law of attraction. We focus on positive energy and gratitude. This attracts more abundance into our lives. Crystals are tools. They help us manifest our desires. Remember, crystals are not magic solutions. They work in conjunction with our own efforts. They empower us to create positive change. They support us on our journey to abundance. Citrine is a vibrant yellow crystal. It is known as the merchant stone. It is associated with prosperity and success. Citrine is believed to attract wealth and abundance. It can also boost creativity and joy. This sunny crystal gets its color from traces of iron. It is often found near quartz deposits. Citrine is a relatively hard crystal. This makes it durable and long-lasting. Citrine is believed to activate the solar plexus chakra. This is the energy center associated with personal power and manifestation. It helps us tap into our inner strength. It also helps us achieve our goals. Citrine is a powerful crystal for attracting abundance. Its bright energy can uplift our spirits. It reminds us of the abundance that surrounds us. Section 4. Pyrite. Igniting the fire of prosperity. Pyrite is a metallic crystal. It has a distinctive gold-like shine. It is often called fool's gold, but pyrite is a powerful crystal for abundance. It symbolizes wealth, prosperity, and manifestation. Pyrite's name comes from the Greek word for fire. This is because it sparks when struck against metal. This sparking quality represents its ability to ignite our inner fire. It helps us pursue our passions. Pyrite is associated with the element of fire. It is believed to boost energy and confidence. It can help us overcome challenges. It can also attract opportunities for success. Pyrite is a powerful tool for manifesting abundance. It reminds us of our own inner strength. It encourages us to take action towards our goals. Section 5. Green aventurine, the lucky charm. Green aventurine is a beautiful green crystal. It is known as the stone of opportunity. It is associated with luck, prosperity, and good fortune. It is believed to attract abundance in all areas of life. Green aventurine gets its color from inclusions of fuchsite mica. These inclusions create a shimmering effect. This effect is known as aventurescence. Green aventurine is associated with the heart chakra. This is the energy center associated with love, compassion, and abundance. It helps us open our hearts to receive. It also helps us attract positive experiences. Green aventurine is a gentle yet powerful crystal for attracting abundance. It reminds us that we are deserving of good fortune. It encourages us to embrace new opportunities. Section 6. Integrating crystals into your daily life for abundance. Use crystals for abundance in your daily life. Carry them, meditate with them, or place them in your home or office. Carry citrine in your wallet to attract wealth. Meditate with pyrite for confidence and motivation. Place green aventurine on your desk for new opportunities. Create a crystal grid to amplify energy. Cleanse your crystals regularly to keep their energy clear. Experiment with different crystals and methods. Trust your intuition.